Do you know many people are having trouble with activating rear windshield wipers on their 2006 Pontiac Torrent? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate control. Begin by locating the rear wiper control button on the instrument panel. Step 2. Identify button. Find the button situated above the audio system with a rear wiper icon. Step 3. Activate wiper. Press the button once to activate the rear windshield wiper, starting the wiping action. Step 4. Check movement. Observe the wiper movement, ensuring it clears the windshield properly. Step 5. Deactivate wiper. Turn off the wiper by pressing the button again when no longer needed. Now you should be able to activate the rear windshield wipers on your Pontiac Torrent with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Pontiac users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.